Today we are diving into the world of stocks with explosive potential, and I've got 5 amazing picks that could skyrocket by a jaw-dropping 500% or more. It's no secret that investors are becoming more adventurous by the day. As those bearish fears fade away, the brave souls among us are hungry for those big gains. And let me tell you, one stock that's been making waves is MicroVision. Last week, MicroVision shares jumped up by a staggering 45% as investors flocked to this incredible startup, specializing in lidar technology for self-driving vehicles. Imagine being part of a company that powers the vision of our future cars. But here's the kicker: if Nvidia could reach the $1 trillion mark by revolutionizing artificial intelligence, then why couldn't MicroVision do the same by enabling cars to see? It's that kind of game-changing mindset that's fueling the tech stock frenzy in 2023. Many analysts and professionals are bullish on these companies, but do not just blindly follow the hype. Make sure to do your own research before investing into these risky stocks. Now, let's face the facts. Not all moonshots will make it to the moon. S&P Global's data reveals that over 230 American companies have already filed for bankruptcy this year, the fastest rate since 2010. And brace yourselves, because the second half of 2023 won't be a walk in the park either. Interest rates are expected to stay above 5% until the year's end. But fear not. We're not here to dwell on the negatives. We're here to uncover those high-quality companies that will ultimately reward us. You see, stocks naturally have an upward trajectory. But even if a stock doesn't skyrocket as we hope, there's always the possibility of receiving lucrative buyout offers from ambitious competitors. So without further ado, let's dig into the juicy stuff. These stocks have the potential to explode by a mind-blowing 500% or more. It's time to strap in, do your research, and consider taking a wild ride with these potential winners. SQM is the world's lowest-cost producer of lithium metal, and we all know that low-cost miners have a knack for outperforming the market. But that's not all. With the electric vehicle industry experiencing a surge in lithium demand, SQM is poised to steadily climb higher and higher. It's like a match made in investment heaven, especially for those conservative investors seeking long-term gains and juicy dividends. SQM is a perfect buy-and-hold stock that deserves a place in your portfolio. However, the main attraction here is actually a company named Lithium Americas. This is one of my favorite lithium plays, which EV makers will be reliant on to make EV lithium batteries. This company is making waves in the investment world, and it's all thanks to its incredible assets. Construction is already underway at this US site, bringing much-needed clarity to eager investors. And let me tell you, the potential here is mind-blowing. With their estimated low production costs, analysts at Morningstar believe these mines could nearly rival the famous Chilean mines when it comes to bang for your buck. Talk about impressive. However, here's the rub: Lithium Americas doesn't even produce lithium metal yet. And you know what that means? It means the company's stock is trading at a significant discount, giving you a golden opportunity for enormous upside potential when it actually starts to get lithium. It's like buying into a secret treasure before the whole world catches on. Now get ready to be blown away by SoFi Technologies, an online bank with a laser focus on serving the younger generation. This company was built with the mission of helping people manage their student loans, but guess what? They didn't stop there. SoFi took advantage of their strong position and started cross-selling like crazy, offering everything from bank accounts to credit cards. And let me tell you, that strategy has been an absolute game changer. Since 2020, this San Francisco-based powerhouse has seen its membership skyrocket by a mind-blowing 5 times. And that's not all. Revenues from their financial services products have soared an incredible 12 times. But here's the kicker. Despite the impressive growth and success, SoFi's shares are still flying under the radar. They've only surged by 65% since early May, which means there is further upside left in the stock. So, my friends, it's time to take action. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to be a part of SoFi's explosive growth. They are revolutionizing the online banking industry and catering to the needs of the next generation. But, if you're a risk-seeking investor with a taste for millionaire maker potential, then you need to pay attention to QuantumScape. Let's dive into the latest update on this groundbreaking company. You see, the current lithium-ion batteries that power our phones, watches, and electric cars are reaching their limits in terms of energy cell density. But fear not. QuantumScape has swooped in with a game-changing solution. They've developed an anode-less battery cell design that slashes manufacturing costs, and it brings their battery costs down 17% lower than traditional lithium-ion batteries. QuantumScape has also streamlined its materials sourcing process, paving the way for scalable and cost-effective battery manufacturing. This means longer-lasting and faster charging devices for all of us. Isn't that amazing? Let's take a moment to think about the all-electric GMC Hummer. It's an absolute beast, capable of producing a mind-blowing 1,000 horsepower and going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. But here's the catch. Current lithium-ion technology requires the Hummer to lug around a whopping 2,818 pounds of EV batteries. That's more than the weight of an entire Honda Civic. And it's not just the high-performance vehicles that suffer. Even modest electric vehicles can cost up to 70% of a Chevy Bolt's retail price just to replace its battery pack. But fear not, because QuantumScape is here to save the day. Their solid-state batteries eliminate the need for battery anodes, and they increase energy density by double-digit percentages. Can you imagine the endless possibilities of their battery technology? Now, let's be real. QuantumScape does face some hurdles along the way. They've been targeted by short sellers raising concerns about published test results. However, QuantumScape remains one of the few pure-play bets on solid-state battery technology. And here's the exciting part. If QuantumScape can deliver on its promise of forever batteries, shares could soar to the $30 level in no time, which would be a huge payday for early investors. So, if you're ready to jump on the revolutionary solid-state battery train and join the exciting journey of QuantumScape, now's the time to act. This could be your ticket to millionaire-making gains. Buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride to the top with QuantumScape. Next we have Adidas Medicine. Just last Tuesday, they made a huge announcement where they revealed that they will be hosting a live webinar to present results from a clinical trial of their severe sickle cell disease program. When companies make these kinds of announcements, it often signals positive results. The market went wild, and shares increased by a staggering 11%. Talk about exciting news. But hold on tight, because the excitement didn't stop there. Another company, on Thursday, named CRISPR Therapeutics, dropped a bombshell. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration accepted their gene editing filings for priority review. This means that the FDA could provide feedback as early as December 8th of this year. That's just around the corner. Now, let me tell you something. CRISPR Therapeutics is no ordinary player in this game. Analysts call them the mothership of gene editing technologies. They have the most robust and mature genetic editing therapy pipeline in the entire industry. That's right, this company is a force to be reckoned with. But mark my words, CRISPR Therapeutics has the potential to skyrocket. If their pipeline plays out as expected, they could easily become a $25 billion company by 2030. Can you imagine the gains? This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. So, buckle up and keep a close eye on the gene editing industry. Exciting times are ahead, and CRISPR Therapeutics is leading the charge. Get in on the action while shares are still affordable, and get ready for a thrilling journey to potentially massive gains. That is all from me today, but keep your eyes on these companies and put them on a watch list and be ready to buy, but always make sure to do your own research first. Now go and do your own due diligence and happy investing.